Hi friends, welcome in this new video. I am Francesca and I'm super excited to be back in this fabulous design team. Today I'm here to share my first project with the January Kids 2024. Come on, let's get started! Okay, first I use the nested arch metal die on Whisper Blue cardstock to create a window, and I overlap the larger dies by securing them so they don't move. Then I cut the larger shape on the Magnificent sheet too, because this pattern reminds me of wallpaper. Now I cut a few strips half centimeter from the Whisper paper, which I use to recreate glass of the window. I choose this photo because it's perfect for this layout, so I cut the outline. Cuckoo! I am in the window. Okay. Now I cut out a few more strips to give a three-dimensional effect inside the space of the window. Okay, now I'm gluing the strips that I had previously cut, and I'm composing the glass of the window. I prefer use thick double side tape to glue the parts. I love creating layout with 3D effects. So I often use this tape for my layering. Now I make the window panes by cutting the shape in a half and finishing with the strips of paper. I glue everything onto a sheet of acetate. So I made this little box to recreate the windowsill to give more depth to the composition. Now I can put everything on the koi pink cardstock, and to give more movement I glue the windows, creating a paper hinge. And be careful with the glue, don't make a mess like me. Now I can start decorating my page with these adorable die cuts. This scallop border is perfect placed here. I love it. To create the landscape, I cut out the shapes from patterned papers. I have some trees, hills, some bushes, and more. Okay, let's go have fun. I love creating with the hipkits because they are so full of cool embellishments. You can make so many projects. I love puffy stickers, and they are exclusive and you can have them on subscription. I'm sure you won't regret it. You can find all the links in the description box. Okay, I'll finish by putting the title with the puffy stickers and some little hearts, and I hope you like the video, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos. If you like, you can also follow me on my social channels. You can find the links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video, and take care. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.